Perfect.
Okay, now it's time to clean the water fountain. We clean the water fountain every week and also refill with fresh water. So to clean it, first rotate and take off the cover, and then use this sponge to do a quick and gentle clean. Put it aside, and then you can also rinse the filter. But remember, please replace the filter with a new filter every 4 weeks. And I will show you where the new filter is. And also clean the plate and the tube. And then if there's any water remaining, just throw it away and then clean the bottom. You can also take the motor out because sometimes the motor may get dirty, and clean it. And after a thorough clean, you can make sure the motor stays in place. And you can take a look. The motor stays in the middle. There is a place for the motor. And then use the filtered water to refill the water in the tank. Yeah, you can get the level close to the max. That will make sure there is enough water for one more week. And then put the filter back to the middle tank, and then put the cover, and then rotate, put it in place. And then it's ready with fresh water. And then, hello Paisan. And then just put it back on, and you can see fresh water is coming out. Just make sure the motor stays in the middle, because if it's misaligned, the water will not be able to come out. And then one last thing, just want to show you, every 4 weeks, please change the new filter and throw away the old filter every 4 weeks. And we will put it here next to all the canned food. That's it on how to change and wash the water fountain.